Good morning, students. Today, let us begin the exercise 1.3, that question number 11. So far, we have solved the 10 questions the yesterday. So, let us begin from this one, 11th one. Given Sn equals to 4n minus n square. So, S1 equals to 4 into 1 minus 1 square. That is equals to 4 minus 1, which is equals to 3. Then S2 equals to 4 into 2. 4 into 2 minus 2 square. That is 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 2 2s are 4. So 8 minus 4, 4. The meaning of S2 is A1 plus A2. A1 plus A2. S2 is 4. So A1 we know that A1 is 3 plus A2. Therefore, 4 minus 3 equals to A2. Therefore, A2 equals to 4 minus 3, 1. A2 equals to 4 minus 3, that is equals to 1. Now, they have asked us to find the third term also, third and 10th term also. So, S3 equals to 4 into 3 minus 3 square. So, 4 3s are 12 minus 3 3s are 9. 12 minus 9, that is 3. But S3, meaning of S3 is A1 plus A2 plus A3. So S3 how much? 3. So A1 we know that 3 plus A2 we have calculated 1 plus A3. 3 plus 1 4 plus A3. 3 minus 4 equals to A3. Therefore, A3 equals to minus 1. A3 equals to minus 1. Then we need to find the 10th term and the nth term. Third term and 10th term. 10th term means yes. Here we can find A equals to A2 minus A1. That is A2 is 1. A1 minus 3 minus 2. So, S10 equals to 10 by 2 in the big bracket 2 of 3 plus N minus 1, 10 minus 1 into D, that is minus 2. Okay, 2 1s are 2 5s are, that is equals to 5 in the big bracket 2 3s are 6 plus 10 minus 1, 9 into minus 2. So 5 in the bracket, 6 minus 9 2s are 18. So 5 in the into minus 12, which is equals to minus 60. Yes, 10 equals to minus 10. Then we need to find the nth term also. Nth term, let us find Sn equals to n by 2 in the big bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N by 2 we need to find, that is 2a, 2 into 3 plus n minus 1 into d. D we got minus 2. So n by 2 in the big bracket 2 3s are 6 plus minus 2n, minus into minus plus 2. So n by 2 in the big bracket 6 plus 2, that is 8 minus 2n. Okay, then n by 2 into 2 is common, that is 4 minus n. 4 minus n. 2 gets cancelled. 2 gets cancelled. Therefore, n in the bracket 4 minus n is the nth term of AP. Okay, let us find the nth term, that is anth. A plus n minus 1 into b, a3 plus n minus 1 into d, that is d is minus 2. So 3 minus 2n plus 2. So 3 plus 2, 5 minus 2n, that is an. Here we have calculated the nth term of AP, but this question has not been asked. So let us add in this question, that is find also clear mode. So in the remaining term, yes, a10 we have to find. Then a10 an so to a plus n minus 1 into d, 3 plus that is equal to 3 minus, therefore a10 equals to minus 15. a10 equals to minus 15. So what we have here, we have calculated the S10th and A10th as well as Anth term as well as Snth term. 2 extra questions have been solved in this problem. So observe the solution once again and practice it. The 12th question, find the sum of the first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. The integers should divisible by 6. So integers solution. Integers divisible by 6. Therefore, A equals to 6, B equals to A2 minus A1, 12 minus 6, 6, then n equals to 40, yes, n equals to question mark. We know yes, n equals to n by 2 in the big bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, 40 by 2, 2 into 6 plus 40 minus 1 into d, 6. 2 ones are 2 20s are 20 in the big bracket, 6 2s are 12 plus 39 into 6, 20 in the big bracket, 12 plus 6 9s are 54, carry 5, 6 3s are 18 plus 5. 234, then 20 into 256, 4 to the 3 plus 1, 4, 246, therefore 2 6 are 12, carry 1, 2 4 the 8 plus 1, 9, 2 2s are 4, 4920. How much is yes? 40 equals to 4920. The sum of the first 40 positive integers which are divisible by 6. Okay, see the solution. Okay, this one is question number 13. Find the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. So, let us write the multiples of 8. Multiples of 8. 8 ones are 8 twos are 16. 8 4s are 32 dash dash dash. So we need to find the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. So therefore A equals to 8, B equals to A2 minus A1, that is 16 minus 8, which is equals to 8. N equals to, there we want to find the sum of 15 terms, n equals to 15. So we need to find is yes, 15 equals to question mark. So Snth n by 2 in the big bracket, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Which formula we have used? Snth equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the values what we have calculated. See, n by 2, n is 15, 15 by 2. Then 2a, a first term, that is 2 into 8, 2a plus n, 15, n minus 1, 15 minus 1, the d is 8, d is 8. 15 by 2, 2 8s are 16, plus 15 ones are 15 minus 1, 14 into 8, So 15 by 2 in the bracket 16 plus 112. 8 4 the 32 carry 3, 8 1 the 8 plus 3 11, 112. That is equals to 15 by 2 into 128, 112 plus 10, 10 plus 6, that is 128. So 2 1 are 2 6 are 2 4 are. So 15 into 64, that is yes 15. 15 into 64, that implies 960. So yes 15 equals to 960. See, both the problems are similar one. The previous what we have solved is also this type. Here find the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. Multiples are nothing but the tables of 8. You have to write those tables. Okay, see the solution. See, find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. Sum of odd numbers. See, let us find odd numbers. Between 0 and 50 are odd numbers. The numbers which are not divisible by 1 are called as odd numbers. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Between 50, 0 and 50, that last number will be 49. So here A equals to 1, A equals to 1, B equals to A2 minus A1, then AM equals to 49, AM equals to 49. Then n equals to question mark, then Sn equals to question mark. Okay, first let us find the number of terms by using the an formula. An equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is given how much? 49 plus a 1 plus n minus 1 into d is 2. 49 1 plus 2n minus 2. 49 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2n. 49 plus 1 equals to 2n. 50 equals to 2n. N equals to 50 divided by 2. 2 1s are 225. N equals to 25. N equals to 25. After finding the n, let us find sum of 25 terms. Therefore, Sn equals to n by 2 in the bracket a plus l, because last term is given, that is 49. So s 25 equals to 25 by 2 in the bracket a, that is 1 plus last term 49. So 25 by 2 into 50. 2 ones are 2 25s are 25 25s are 625. That is yes 25 equals to. You can also apply that this formula Sn equals to n by 2 in the big bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. See s 25 equals to 25 by 2 big bracket 2 into 1 plus 25 minus 1. So that is d. D equals to how much? D is 2. So 25 by 2, 2 ones are 2 plus 25 minus 1, that is 24 into 2. So 25 by 2 in the bracket 2 plus 24, 2s are 48. So 25 by 2 into 50, 2 ones are 2, 25 are. Here also we get 625. So you can use both the formula, either this one or that one. If last term is given, better to use this one, because simplification becomes very easy. Observe the problem. See, this is homework for today's exercise, that is 1.3. All this type of problems have been solved in the class. So find the sum of the all natural numbers between 10 and 100 which are divisible by 5. You have to find the set of integers which are divisible by 10 and 100 by 5. Then find the sum of the first 25 multiples of 7. You have to write the multiples of 7. Then you have to find the S25. Then find the sum of the 50 positive integers divisible by 6. Then you have to write the integers which are divisible by 6. Then find the sum of odd numbers between 20 and 100. Okay? So practice it. Practice the solved problems. Then do the homework without fail. I hope you will do all the homeworks. Thank you.